Welcome again. This is the Military Gooner TV, MGTV as you guys know it. Thank you very much for tuning in. I want to give out a big thanks to all those who have subscribed so far, and I am appreciative of what you guys have done, and I'm very much glad that you guys continue to tune in and see what is happening. Now, the Jamaican gooners are very upset. They are very upset at this moment. Now, I'm gonna bring one on the show and show you guys how upset these guys are. And at this point in time, RADREEZY 3000, upcoming artist, this is what he has to say.
Military Gooner TV, you understand, big up yourself. Right now, Arsenal in a very bad state. I feel like the club is bleeding, 14th in the table, 3 or 4 home Premier Leagues L's already, you understand. And the fact about the L's and what I call it is that the L's are they're so bad, you understand. It's not like say the most thing I see on the side is our show and fight won't go behind. You understand, we show look a fight won't go behind. But other than that, this is no progress from the last manager. You understand? I feel like the player is not good enough still. A lack of fight from the captain. I don't know what going for him. He can't jump. He don't know if he jump, he man jump like a girl bridging. You understand? Big old Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang will get excited, so resign. Midfield was non-existent, get overrun. Crazy stuff. Right now, we respect about this. I don't see any way up from this, you understand? We have the North London Derby next, and them Mondays firing. You understand? Tottenham Hotspurs is firing. I don't know where they go on, but Arteta need to do something. He need a quick fix. You understand? I heard Martinelli is fit again. Thomas Partey might be ready for the North London Derby, but overall, the side is not good enough. You understand? It's not good enough to compete. And a side like Wolves, we know they're not come with, I think the side should have up for it. And every single game when I see Arsenal start, the man them start the game slow. And until them go behind, that is when them start play football. When them go behind and them see the game gone left them when them can't get back anything out of the game. 14th to the table, NLD next. I don't know, man. It's peak right now, but always gonna be a supporter, but Arsenal is bleeding. That's all I can say.
That is it. We're feeling it at this moment. We're definitely feeling it at this moment, and I can feel what the pain that he's feeling, because I myself is a massive supporter and I love this club, and this club is dragging us to the dirt. Many Arsenal supporters at this moment are turning away. Thank you very much again, RADREEZY 3000, for doing that. As I said, Arsenal is bleeding, and how they are bleeding at this moment, they're bleeding on all the fans. They're bleeding on all the fans. Arsenal are selling dreams, and guess what? They're not achieving it. Thank you very much again, anyone who tuned in. Please drop a like. And thank you again for subscribing. And remember to subscribe. Military Gooner TV, MGTV, I'm out.